Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica gel for flowers. First, select fresh, fully bloomed flowers with firm petals for the best results. Carefully trim away any extra leaves or damaged parts from your chosen blooms. Next, prepare an airtight container, like a plastic box, ensuring it is completely dry. This initial preparation is key to preserving the beauty of your flowers for a long time. Now let's begin the drying process. Pour a layer of silica gel, approximately 1 inch deep, into the bottom of your chosen airtight container. Carefully arrange your prepared flowers on this layer, making sure they do not touch each other. Then, gently pour additional silica gel over the flowers until they are entirely covered. Finally, seal the container tightly to ensure no moisture can enter or escape, which is crucial for effective drying. After sealing, allow your flowers to dry for about 2 to 5 days. Larger blooms may take a bit longer. To check, gently brush away some gel from a small flower to feel its texture. They are ready when they feel completely dry and crisp, similar to paper. Once dry, carefully remove the flowers from the silica gel using a soft brush to avoid any damage. Handle them with care, as they will be delicate. The great news is that silica gel is reusable. You can dry it in an oven at a low temperature, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, until its color returns to blue or orange. Store your beautifully dried flowers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their vibrant color. For extra protection, consider spraying them with a clear sealant. Now, you can enjoy your perfectly preserved flowers in various arrangements or crafts for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.